39 up. I'm getting it. Hello? I think this might be it. Oh, no, it's an SVR. Sussex County, New Jersey. That's KW35 too. That's Sussex County. Let me see if I can get KZ31 outside. Quickly, though. I think it's about to be done. Let's see what we could get. Alright, nice. I got the end headers on KZ31. SVR. It's been issued now. WXM60 activated. It's been issued now. Yep, I'm in this. It got issued. Here we go. There we go. Opting's finally relaying it. Opting's finally relaying it. Alright. That is KZ31. I think that's KJ199 relaying it. VR, SQQ, SWXO.
County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania.
Dolphin, Lebanon, Northumberland, Harry, SQQ, and Schneider.
Started, it'll...
I just heard something on that yet, but I'm gonna go check that real quick. Where's your SVR? I'm recording, SVR. Go.
Lebanon and fuel bill. The following is a flood watch statement.
Alright. The event has started again. SVR! Oh, there we go! SVR for Brooks County! Here we go. Oh. That's WEEU. Let me try getting, no W, I don't know.
A chance of showers until midnight. The 10 National Race Course, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and 20 to see high. Myerstown, St. Clair, Gilbertown, Owensburg, and Pleasant Hill. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 259 to 264. Interstate 78 for mile marker 0 to 8. Interstate 81 for mile markers 82 to 115. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Lebanon
Very
skill
heavy
kill.
rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms
Oh, boy.
and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Fuelville. Here is the
Lancaster and Lebanon. Lancaster and Lebanon counties, Pennsylvania.
Eastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brickerville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ephrata, Liddix, Mannheim, Denver, Reamstown, Adamstown, Breakerville, Kleinfeltersville, Olmansville, Reinholz, Schoneck, and Penryn. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 266 to 290. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, and Lebanon.
Alright, so CTP's continuing to provide alerts for me. SCR up.
Pennsylvania, southeastern Dawson County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 3:39 p.m. Producing heavy rain across the
Oh, this is a flash flood warning.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen in some areas.
I thought this was a severe thunderstorm warning.
Amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
So flash flooding for Lancaster, Lebanon, Dauphin, and I think York. That's it.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other small drainage and low-lying areas. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Progress, Lytton, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Lingletown, Enola, Steelton, Manheim, Anvil, and Lemoyne. Turn around. Encountering flooded roads.
I think I knew this was going to be a sheet by CTV because they said that
Be aware of your
there was heavy rain and flash flooding was
flooded
possible.
roads.
UNG 704 is going off again. What is this?
Southeastern Dauphin County in
Oh my
Central
God!
Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County in
I
south
can't even
central
eat dinner, bro.
Pennsylvania, north central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
I can't eat dinner right now, bro. Can you leave me alone?
Thunderstorms were located along the line
CTP, I think you've given me enough alerts right now. I literally can't eat
moving
dinner
east at
with
25
this.
miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source:
It's another Dauphin, Lebanon,
Impact.
Lancaster, New York, SVR.
Exciting entries. Lancaster, Lebanon, Hershey, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lytton, Middletown, Millersville, Mount. For mile markers 246 to 274. Interstate 83 for mile markers 25 to 33. Interstate 283 for mile markers 0 to 2. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, and Lebanon.
Dauphin in New York, too.
A severe thunderstorm.
Great! I just hear my HH. It's an SVR. And I think the Sanjeev's gonna go shortly. Or not.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
Oh, that's the same thing.
3:44 p.m. Severe thunderstorm.
WKDN. That's gonna go. I think. Yep, they're going. That's also WXL 39. Which this failed again. Oh, and WNG 704 is activating. What? I'm so confused.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central County.
Yep, they're late.
Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
They're late this time. think WNG is done.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, they're still not done. Well, that was a weird SVR. Give me a break, State College.
County in South Central Pennsylvania. Central York County in South
Give me a break!
Until 4:30 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North York, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Lancaster, York, Weiselstown,
CTP.
Columbia,
Give me a
Millersville,
break.
Willow Street, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Shiloh, East York, and Stony Brook, Wilshire. This includes Interstate 83 for mile markers 14 to 25. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, Pennsylvania,
And York. I believe that's it. I'm setting the Sanjean siren level to high so that way it can alert me better next time. Alright, flash flood ready for Berks County. That's horrible. Shut up! We're off. There we go. Can you hear, WKDN is going. WXL39 is also going off. .704 SPR, Lancaster and Lebanon counties.
4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Avon to Lititz to Millersville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Lebanon, Ephrata, Columbia, Lititz, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, New Holland, Manheim, East Petersburg, and Cornwall. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 265 to 295. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lancaster and Lebanon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania.
There we go.
State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning to southeastern Lancaster County and south central Pennsylvania.
You're in Chester County now.
At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Vernon, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lancaster County, including the following locations: Little Britain, Christiana, Kirkwood, and Adland. Stay inside of the severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania.
We're nearing Chester County, Pennsylvania now.
The following is a...
Great! I just got done with the CTP alert. Now I have to deal with... Probably Chester. Yup. That's it. We knew it.
Clint.
WKDN's going. Think KVP should be next. I know this isn't going to relay, WXL isn't, but WWJZ should.
And penny-sized hail. Source: Rick.
I'm gonna wait for WKDN to finish. And there's another PHI alert. Marine warning. Yup, it's north of Pools Island.
Pools Island. Including Baltimore Harbor. 5:45 p.m.
North of Pools Island. I'm gonna finish this.
Gunpowder River, Northeast River.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
If this is a triple
Frequent
header.
lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
No triple header this time. Thank you. Great! I just got SVR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m.
What is taking WKI? Alright, WKDN's relaying.
20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated.
How did this fail again?
Pennsylvania. Eastern Pennsylvania.
Nice, another SVR for Berks County. Another PHI alert. This is another SCR. WNG's going off, and I think XL should be.
It's good all day. All right, it's good all day. And if you missed anything, of course, you can check out the podcast where you get your podcast. Just search for the Drew Mariani Show. Nick normally has our broadcast up about an hour after we about 30 minutes.
We'll wait for WWJZ to start.
He gets done pretty
Should be
quick.
starting any second now. It's for Montgomery County.
We pray the chaplet every afternoon at this time. Father Rocky will pray the rosary every evening at 7 Central, 8 Eastern.
There we go. Now they're going. Now it's time to get the rest of the FMs. It's getting decently dark outside.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
Line extending from you.
Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are Honeybrook, Alberson, New Morgan, Newtown, Washington, Leonville, Lakewood, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Leonville, Seafield, and West Ocean. Damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Indoors
Williamsburg, Parkersburg, Honeybrook, Alberton, New Morgan, Newtown, Marshallton, Leonville, Lakewood, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Leonville.
At 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. Surround 5.
WWJZ's just finishing up. I don't know if
Torrential rain.
WKVP's finished.
Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.
Flash flood warning, I don't know where. Chester County, Pennsylvania. Okay.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Young actresses at
It's
work.
gonna go later.
Well,
Let's get the WNG alert.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded.
Flood depths to current vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Streams, urban air, back, drainage.
Rate is 2.5 to 3.5. Short. Radar.
Back and forth. They're moving deadlines and all that.
That's WHYY. That's WHYY.
Southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2.5 to 3.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Streams,
urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Coatesville, Oxford, Parkersburg, Cochranville, Homeville, Mount Vernon, Atwood, South Kingsville, and Modena. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Pretty sure this is a dangerous flash flood warning.